So, ito yung next, ni Chade. Next ride. The Storm Coaster. Kita niyo yan? Ayan. Get ready to get wet and get soaked, Daddy.
Of course, ako na naman ang sasakay.
Ay, lalong mas ayaw ko dyan kasi mababasa ako.
Gusto ko lang itry. Let's go!
Okay, remove your shoes, ha? Ayan siya, guys, oh. Para lang din naman siyang roller coaster, pero ang babagsakan mo is water. Guys, may daan pala siya na underground. Ayan, lulusot yan dyan. Ayan, lulusot dyan. Yun. Mababasa ka nga. That's Richard na. Pumaway siya kanina, di ko nakunan kasi akala ko may waiting time pa. Hindi na pala siya nag-wait, nakasakay na siya. So, ayan. There she goes. There he goes. Where is it? Ayan. Dadaan sila dyan later. Ayan. Bababa na. And then, ooh, that was so fast. Ano? Are you wet? Basa ka?
Konti lang.
Konti lang, not really. Sige, tingnan niyo naman.
Hindi siya nakakatakot, nakakabasa siya.
Amoy chlorine.
Kaya nga.
It hurts your eyes. We're going to ride the Bikini Bottom Crosstown Express. So, kiddie ride siya, pero pwede ring adult. Lahat ng kiddie ride pwede sa adult. Basta, ano lang siya, one at a time. Kumbaga sa isang linya, isang adult lang ang pwede. Pwede isang adult o isang bata, pero hindi pwedeng parehong adult. Kaya lagi kami magkahiwalay kapag sa kiddie ride, which is okay lang naman.
Pero
kasi,
dito, I think, pwedeng magkatabi.
I don't know. So, let's just see. Ay, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng rides sa labas nito. Later. Okay, see you there. So, yan yung ride, guys, na unexpected, na nakakahilo pala sobra. Grabe. Hinaluka yung chan ko dyan. Oh my God. At yan ang unexpected ride na nakakahilo. Ang Bikini Bottom Crosstown Express. So, ayan, guys. Tapos na kaming sumahay doon sa Bikini Bottom Crosstown Express kung saan hinaluka yung bituka namin.
Sa lahat ng sinakyan ko, dyan ako sinama. Dyan pa sa pambata.
Kiddie ride lang siya, pero grabe. Ang sakit sa tiyan, as in. Para kang masusuka na. Talaga, totoo man.
Mas okay sa akin yung rides na nataas, nababa.
Mga thriller
pero
lang
yung
ride.
ini-spin ka.
Ang sakit, grabe. Sabi ko, kala ko easy lang to. Oh my God. So, ayun guys. Dito na tayo sa aming next spot. Guys, maglalaro na naman si Itcha ng lobster pot. So, kahapon, nilaro niya na yan sa Movie World, pero hindi siya nanalo. Eh, gusto niya daw ulit i-try. So, let's see. Sana makuha niya na. At naiinis siya, di siya nananalo sa ganitong game. Oh,
Game 2 now. 2 out of the 2. 2 out of the 2 to win.
Oh, please.
Oh, no, brother.
So, guys, sa aming next stop, ayan, Seal Guardians. So, dalawa yung showing times niya. 10:30 and 2:30 p.m. So, ayan. Panoorin natin mag-show ang Seals.
So, guys, Papalakpak. Malapit na yata lumabas yung seagulls.
Si Lion po ang lalabas. Si Lion po.
Seagulls. Right?
Oh, perfect.
Right, Holly? Alrighty, let's put it in. Woo! Now, he's a different species, long-nosed fursill, found in colder climates in the California sea lion, like back of his head. So I can walk and you will take a good look at me. It makes sense. The power definitely comes from the front. What we might do right now is show you something pretty fun. It's actually how we play hide and seek with our seals. But first, we have to get them to understand the concept. So moving.
Okay, that's Doray, Australian sea lion.
Doray's only 5 years old, and we want to show you guys some of the most important things that we've taught him. And this is how to do a health check. Just like us, when we go to the doctor, we might have to show them what's wrong with us or different body parts that the doctor asks. So we've taught Toray pretty much how to do that. So Toray, can we see your flipper? Oh, good boy. And wiggle that finger. Decent, thank you very much. It does sound a little bit like popping or clucking. It does sound a little bit weird. Well, he has done a really good job, and so have the both of you. Let's wrap it up by giving him a Seal Guardian salute. I think he liked you guys so much. Thank you very much, boys. Well done, boys. You can
manood ng Sea Lion show. So, meron silang 3 sea lion dito sa SeaWorld Gold Coast. Si Doray, si Julius, and who's the other one?
Doray.
We forgot the other one. So, oo, 3 nga yata sila or more than 3 pa sila. Ayun, pinakita nila yung mga talents na meron ang mga sea lion na yun. Then,
Seals,
later,
ang tawag nila, no?
Yep, seals.
Short for sea lion.
So, ayun guys, yung nakalimutan kong pangalan, yun yata yung, yung Australian sea lion. Pero meron naman, sinabi ko naman sa video. Ngayon, nag-iikot-ikot kami, nag-take kami ng photos kasi hindi kami nakapag-picture kanina kasi tuloy-tuloy yung mga activities dito sa SeaWorld. Then, later on, manonood naman kami ng dolphin show. So, ayan guys, same sa movie world, meron kayong mga pwedeng kainan dito, mga boutique, souvenir shops, at saka, ayan, mga lollies, of course, and mga drinks, smoothies, refreshers, something like that. At kagaya sa movie world, hindi kayo pwedeng magpasok ng foods and water or any drinks. We're on our way to the dolphin show, which is this one, the Affinity. Yep, Affinity Dolphin presentation. Sobrang haba ng SeaWorld, oh. May makikita pa rin, yeah. May makikita pa rin kayo dito, guys. mga shops. Dito may stroller parking with Emerald. So, ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa Dolphin Show.
This is Dolphin Beach, a place of learning and discovery, where friendships are formed and the affinity between two very different species is fully realized. Come with us now as we explore the ties that bind us and take an up-close look at one of the most remarkable mammals on the planet, the Pacific bottlenose dolphin.
To Dolphin Beach. It's likely that we hope you will gain a greater appreciation and understanding of the affinity between us and the world's most beloved marine mammal. Like this. Appreciate these incredible animals.
So they have two unique species of dolphin, the Australian humpback dolphin, tsaka snowfin dolphin. Dami ring seagulls nakikisali sa show. Gagaling ng dolphin, ang tatalino. Ayan, sasakay yan dyan. Dolphin Show at SeaWorld Gold Coast. Ang lansa mo dyan, up na ba? Ako'y nisabay sa dive, ano? Naman nun. Parang ang saya naman sumakay sa dolphin.
But now, friends, it's time for us to say farewell. Today, you have been lucky enough to meet the incredible animals that call Dolphin Beach home. We certainly hope you enjoy the rest of your time with us here. Thank you, and bye for now. We hope you enjoyed the presentation. Please remain seated whilst we allow guests in priority seating to exit the venue first. And for safety reasons, we ask that you do not step on or over the bench seating, as it may be unsafe to do so. Thank you.
The dolphin show. So yun guys, halos lahat, halos lahat pati ng tao doon galing sa dolphin show. Ngayon pabalik na kami doon sa pinakang ang tawag ba dyan? Basta doon sa parang pinakang gitna nung SeaWorld. Mag-play naman kami, maglalaro kami, then iikot namin kayo sa mga souvenir shops na bukas pa. So it's only 3:50 PM and nagsasara ang SeaWorld at 5 PM. Almost sunset and we're still here. So ito yung the reef. If yung mga kasama niyong bata o kayo mismo gusto niyo magbasa, ayan, pwede dyan. Basta hindi siya swimming pool, pero pwede kayo mag-picture sa gitna, pero be ready to get wet.
Babasa ka dyan.
Yep. So, ayan, yung Castaway Reef. Diba? Cutie! So, let us check guys kung ano meron dito sa Seal Harbor.
Seal Island for short.
Okay. Guys, this is the Seal Harbor. Look at that. Cute! Kakahiga mga borlogs. Namamahinga sila at napagod. Cutie! Pero hindi sila yung nasa show kanina. Iba pa yung mga nasa show kanina. Kasi ito maliliit to eh. Yung mga nasa show malalaki. We're going to play hookah duck para sure win ulit na may maiuwi kami. And this will serve as our souvenir here at SeaWorld.
In addition, I also have...
Yay! We got 38!
Nemo or penguin?
Oh, which one do you like?
Large.
Yeah, it's large. It's part of the large.
Nemo, penguin, and
penguin,
that's
anything
it.
back there.
Penguin.
Which one do you like?
Penguin. The penguin.
Penguin?
Yeah. Yay! Thank you! Another souvenir.
Ito lang tayo na nanalo.
Yeah! Okay. Another game to try. Sana manalo siya dito. May inis na naman to pag di siya nanalo. So, let's see, guys. Okay.
Until we knock it off.
Sana manalo siya. Kailangan dalawang sunod na bato. Ano? Oh, you missed one.
Come on, guys. Thanks, bro.
Oh, nearly.
Not a good start.
Oh, just one. Aim for that one.
That one you got right.
Oh, no. It's alright. Thank you. More ride. We will try this kiddie ride. It is called Boating School Blast. So, para naman siyang mini roller coaster na pambata. Let's do this!
Para makasakay siya.
This will be our final ride dito sa SeaWorld.
Kasi magsasara na din anong oras to. 4:50.
Past 4 na eh. So, 5 lang yung, hanggang 5 p.m. lang sila. And we still need to go to the fast photo to redeem our pictures.
Yep.
Because going to enter now. Astro Photo Fast.
And the two of us?
Yay!
And just the two of us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since we're adults, we just have to sit separately. Allow the
Yeah,
costumes
no
to
worries.
sit. I'm just one in each cup, please.
Yeah.
All good,
So,
thank you.
It's nothing.
Okay. Hiwalay na naman kami. King School Blast. Just a mini roller coaster and takot agad ako. Sea Jellies Illuminated. Experience Sea Jellies like never before. Para siyang Manila Ocean Park. Jellies. Oh, hala, mga nakataob na jellyfish, oh. We almost forgot this spot. So, talagang kasama din to dito sa tour sa SeaWorld. Buti nakita namin bago kami lumabas, kundi hindi namin mapapasok. So, ayan guys. Iba't ibang species ng jellyfish. Cutie! Little mushroom. Meron din siyang research laboratory. Ang galing. Yan oh. Oh, that's the upside down jellyfish. Oh. Aurelia. Cockrulia? Cutie. Hello. Ganda. Parang lang ah. Maraming inarte na tong Sea Jellies Illuminated. Kasi kami dalawa lang yung tao. Oh, may souvenir shop. So, look at this. Labas kayo sa souvenir shop after dun sa Sea Jellies. Look at that. Alright guys, we're done with all the rides, shows, and events here at SeaWorld. Ayan guys, he will try his luck again sa claw machine. Kay SpongeBob naman. So, sana makakuha na siya. May inis yan pag hindi na naman siya nakakuha. Go, go, go! Makukuha niya yan. Tiwala lang. Ayan na, yan na yun, yan na yun, yan na yun. It's alright. There's one more. Kaya niya yan. Go for it. Get that SpongeBob or Patrick. A big scam. Ayan, lilipat siya sa Ninja Turtle. You can get that, Daddy. Get that turtle. It's just a turtle. Move, move. Yan. Go for it. Malalaglag yan. Dito, dito, dito. One more, one more. Doon pa rin. Focus ka sa goal. Yeah, just there, just there. Makakuha niya na yan. Go for it. It's alright. No worries about it. Hinisa naman siya. So that's the end of our tour here at SeaWorld Gold Coast. So ayan, super na-enjoy namin yung tour namin dito, yung stay namin dito sa SeaWorld. Kasi sobrang dami ng activities na nagawa namin, sobrang dami ng shows na napanood namin, and syempre, nag-enjoy si Chade sa mga thrilling rides. Yun!
Bago na naman tayo nakuha.
Yay! Alam niyo, naglalaro lang kami para makakuha kami na pwede naming souvenir. So, yesterday, unicorn sa Movie World, now a penguin dito sa SeaWorld. And syempre, meron din sa time zone nung nakaraan. Kung naalala nyo, don't forget, panoorin nyo yung aming vlog din about time zone. Ayun guys. So, we also, part siya na binayaran namin na $179. So, that's a 3-day escape pass.
Dapat may isa pa. Wet and Wild. Kaya lang,
Yup.
wala nang time.
Pwede kayo, halimbawa, 2 days kayo dito sa SeaWorld, 1 day kayo sa Movie World, or 2 days sa Movie World, 1 day sa SeaWorld, kung hindi kayo mag-Wet and Wild. Pero kasama yung Wet and Wild dun sa package. So, kasi kami,
3 days ka.
dahil 4 days lang kami, and yung 2 araw dun, which is yung first and yung last day, hindi buo, hindi na kami mag-Wet and Wild. Yon, kasi wala talaga kaming time. So, Wet and Wild kasi resort yun. Ano siya, may iba't iba siyang slides. Yan, ganon. So, guys, yun lang. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung vlog namin today about sa SeaWorld. So, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.